Good morning. This is Rosemary, owner of Hands of Light by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. And it's 2024. I wanted to let you know that I've been posting some different opportunities for you to grow spiritually. And I'll be starting a podcast probably in the next month or two. And I'll let you know more when I find out more about when it will air. I'm working on another spiritual book, which will probably hit Amazon this year. And I posted some classes and some opportunities for you to grow spiritually, as well as many self-growth classes that you can take and self-study on your own. And you have a few months to complete them. You can have some time with me. We can chat back and forth about your classes that you are taking from me in self-study. I will also be posting in the spring some in-person classes, a Reiki training class for level 1 people and beyond, and some other opportunities you might be interested in. So please look up www.rosemaryd.com, Hands of Light by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. You can also check my other website, which is Grow Your Spirit Books, which is side by side with my other website when you click in. Please join my mailing list. There is a place where you can join up. And if you'd like a free copy, a couple chapters of my book, Divine Messengers, which is my spiritual book, there is a place that you can sign up for that, and a place that you can also sign up for a discovery session, which is a free 30 minutes on Zoom with me to get to know who I am and see if my services are a good fit for you. Have a blessed day. Happy 2024.